Hi, welcome to Lone Star Sublimation. Thanks for watching one more of our video tutorials. Many people wonder how they can sublimate on cotton or polyester in dark colors. Well, here you have an excellent option. You can use the Subliflex brand Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric, which is a white 100% polyester fabric with adhesive in the back. Perfect to adhere to any color or percentage of cotton or polyester with excellent quality, and the best thing about it is that it can last up to 200 washing cycles. Today I'm going to show you how you can sublimate the Subliflex brand Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric, and later how to adhere it to a 100% cotton black t-shirt. Well, here we have the materials that we're going to be using today. First, we have our Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric, 100% cotton shirt, your image or design printed in mirror mode on sublimation paper. You're going to need some scissors, our heat resistant tape, butcher paper, a lint remover roll, and our heat press. Once we have all the materials ready, we can start. First, we program our heat press at a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we take a piece of Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric, the size of our image. Then we pass the lint roller on the fabric to remove any possible lint that it might have. Now we place the image facing the fabric and secure with heat resistant tape. We place it on the plate and put butcher paper on top of it to protect our heat press. We close and sublimate at a temperature of 400 degrees for 60 seconds. This fabric is very flexible, and two of its best features are, well, first, it can be applied to fabrics of any percentage of cotton or polyester regardless of color. Second, it can also be applied to wood, metal, canvas, denim, ceramics, among other materials. Remember that the Subliflex brand's Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric can be ordered directly on our website, LoneStarSublimationBlanks.com, and as exclusive distributors in the United States of the Subliflex brand, we can help you with all your questions so that you can have better results. Okay, and now it's done. Once it's done, we remove the butcher paper and our sublimation paper. And here you have the sublimation fabric. And as you can see, its colors are really bright. As we can see, the fabric is completely sublimated. We can touch it immediately and it does not run. And we don't have to wait until it dries. We just have to be careful because it's hot. Okay, now we're going to cut the extra fabric. In this case, I'm going to use scissors to make the process faster, but you can cut it with the cutting putter of your choice, like Cricut or Camille. Here on our YouTube channel, we have several videos of the process and suggested parameters. Okay, now it's fully cut. Once we have our image already sublimated on the fabric, we're going to pre-iron our shirt for just a few seconds to remove excess moisture. we suggest you fold the shirt in the center and pre-iron to mark where the center is. You place it back in the press for a couple of seconds. Now we pass the lint roll over the shirt to remove any lint that it might have to make sure the fabric adheres correctly. We remove the backing paper from the fabric. Here we can see the adhesive on the back. It's very easy to remove the protective paper. We place the fabric on the shirt by locating it in the desired place. If you want to, you can place heat-resistant tape on it so it doesn't move. It is very important to mention that if you're using heat tape, when removing it, it must be removed from the inside of the image to the outside, from the inside to the outside. In this case, I'm not going to use tape. I'm just going to accommodate and place butcher paper on top of it, being careful not to move the fabric. Now we're going to adhere using 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds using high pressure. This is very important for the fabric to adhere correctly to the shirt. Please join our Facebook group where ideas and live tutorials are shared. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. And it's ready. We remove the paper carefully because it's hot. And here we have the final result using the Subliflex Thermo Adhesive Sublimation fabric on a 100% cotton t-shirt. As you can see, the process is very quick and easy without wasting material or having to wait for the ink to dry. We can stretch the shirt and the fabric is very flexible. And the best thing is that it does not produce heat and it feels very soft to the touch. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Leave me a comment with any questions you may have. It would be my pleasure to help you. You can also contact us directly through the chat on our website, LoneStarSublimationBlanks.com. See you soon.